But why just in the clip saying you trying to take a shower with Cincinnati and ISO speed?
Bro, look, bro. They kept telling. Hold on, this I don't know. About the shower, me taking a shower with y'all.
Yeah, nigga.
With y'all, right? So look, pause. Right. So look, so so y'all took showers together, right?
No, but we be separated with swimming trunks.
That's what I mean. That's what I don't understand. Y'all had sleepovers before, right?
Yeah, but not like that. Like,
yeah. So no, I didn't mean it like anything. I meant it like how y'all meant it. I want to sleep over too. I want to sleep with y'all niggas too. That's how I meant it. Pause. I know that was a lot, but that's what I meant. It's like if y'all was in the shower, then y'all was in the shower. Y'all took a shower together. So I'm like, well, shit, I'll take a shower with them niggas, like on the stream. You know what I'm saying? Of course, with clothes on, bro. You know what I mean?